Filing a VA claim can be a daunting process. It can be disheartening to receive a denial. Many veterans face this. But remember, a denial is not the end of the road. You have the right to appeal and fight for your benefits. This guide will provide steps to take if your VA claim has been denied. This guide will empower you to navigate the appeals process. You served our country. Now let us help you get the benefits you deserve. Before you can appeal, it's crucial to understand why your claim was denied. The VA denial letter will outline the reasons. Common reasons include lack of evidence. The VA needs documentation to support your claim. This includes medical records linking your condition to your service. No service connection. The VA requires a clear link between your condition and your military service. Incomplete forms. Missing information or errors on your forms can lead to denial. Low disability rating. You may disagree with the VA's assigned disability rating. Understanding the reason for denial is the first step toward building a successful appeal. If your claim was denied due to lack of evidence, don't despair. You can gather more documentation to support your claim. Gather medical records. Request all medical records related to your condition, both military and civilian. Obtain a nexus letter. A nexus letter from a medical professional establishes a connection between your condition and your service. Collect buddy statements. Statements from fellow service members who witnessed your injury or experienced similar conditions can be valuable. By providing comprehensive evidence, you strengthen your case significantly. Proving service connection is vital for a successful VA claim. The VA needs to see a clear link between your current condition and your time in service. Military records. Your service records often hold crucial information about injuries, exposures, or incidents that could be related to your condition. Personal statements. Write a detailed account of how your condition began or worsened during your service. Be specific and provide examples. Medical opinions. A doctor specializing in your condition can provide a medical opinion linking it to your service. By connecting the dots between your service and your current health, you build a stronger case for your claim. Section 5. Incomplete forms, small errors, big consequences. Something as simple as an incomplete form can lead to a denial. Carefully review all forms before submission. Double-check forms, ensure all sections are filled out accurately and completely. Use the right form. The VA has specific forms for different claims. Make sure you are using the correct one, such as VA Form 21-526EZ for disability compensation. Ensure signatures. Verify that all required signatures are present and dated. Accuracy on your forms is essential for a smooth claims process. Section 6. Disagreeing with your rating, steps to take. If you believe your disability rating is too low, you have options to challenge it. File a supplemental claim. Provide new and relevant evidence to support a higher rating. Request a higher level review. Your claim will be reviewed by a more experienced examiner. Appeal to the Board of Veterans' Appeals. This is a more formal appeal process, with a hearing before a veterans law judge. Remember, you have the right to appeal for a rating that accurately reflects the impact of your service-connected condition. Section 7. Your roadmap to success. Key steps to remember. Navigating the VA appeals process can feel overwhelming, but these key steps will guide you. Carefully read the reasons for your denial. This will help you determine your next steps. Collect all relevant medical records, buddy statements, and any other supporting documentation. Establish a clear link between your condition and your military service. Ensure all forms are accurate, complete, and signed. Don't hesitate to appeal if you believe the VA's decision was incorrect. By following these steps and staying organized, you can improve your chances of a successful appeal. Section 8. Never give up, the power of persistence. The VA claims process can be lengthy. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Persistence is key. Keep copies of all your documents and correspondence with the VA. Pay close attention to all deadlines for filing appeals and submitting documentation. Remember why you are fighting for your benefits. Your service and sacrifice deserve to be recognized. Your persistence will pay off. Continue advocating for your well-deserved benefits. Section 9. Veteran Service Organizations. Your allies in the fight. You don't have to go through this process alone. Veteran service organizations, or VSOs, can provide invaluable assistance. VSOs offer free support to veterans navigating the VA claims process. VSOs have trained professionals who understand the complexities of VA claims. VSOs connect you with fellow veterans who understand your experiences. Reach out to a VSO in your area. They can guide you through the appeals process and advocate on your behalf. Section 10. You served our country, now let us serve you. Receiving a VA claim denial can be frustrating, but remember, it's not the final word. By understanding the reasons for denial, gathering strong evidence, and seeking support, you can fight for the benefits you deserve. Never hesitate to appeal a decision you believe is incorrect. Your service and sacrifices matter, and you have the right to receive the support you need. Let us help you navigate the VA system and secure the benefits you've earned.